It takes me just a few minutes and I'll have breakfast ready for the full work week. Now what exactly are overnight oats? They're basically a no-cook method of making oatmeal by soaking raw oats with milk in the fridge. After just a few hours, the oats will have soaked up all of the liquid and softened into a delicious creamy consistency, more creamy and dense than just a regular bowl of oatmeal. The great thing about overnight oats is you can use all sorts of toppings, different fruits and berries, nuts and seeds, nut butters, even chocolate or coconut. There's a huge variety of different flavor combinations you can make so that you don't get bored eating the same thing every day. Today I'm going to show you 6 different ways to make overnight oats. These are some of my personal favorite flavor combinations. Everything from bold and decadent to simple and fruity. When it comes to containers, I like using these 16-ounce wide-mouth mason jars. This size gives me a good amount of room for my base oats and any additional toppings, and lots of room to stir without things falling out. And when you put the lid on, it gives a nice tight seal. I prefer the wide mouth over the regular mouth jars because they're easier to scoop out the toppings and easier to clean. Now before we get into the 6 different delicious flavors, I'm first going to show you how to make what I call the base oats.